It's a wonderful day and welcome to Trisolace. So we are at the Dansoman facility where we are doing the last fumigation process. And then we had some issues with the tank that we came to fix last week, and now we've mounted. And hopefully we'll check it overnight to see if all the other stuff are working. And that is Collins doing the fumigation and pest control for. And then as you can see, we have added the cocoa leaves, the dry treated cocoa leaves, which we treated with just hot water to kill any insects or larvae in there. So we always tell people that you can do this anywhere, in your house, anywhere at all, where you have little space. You can do this. This is just 5 by 7 meters that we did for the client. This is inside Dansoman, not some remote area. This is in Accra, Dansoman. And then, so this is the security door. We're going to do a trap door here. We're going to do a trap door here that when you enter, that is the net for the trap door. And then when you enter, you can have access to a foot bath. So you can just do a foot bath, wash or sterilize your feet against any other insect or larva or any other thing. And then that is, so we have grown our proper goose in there that the snails can feed on it a little. And then we have also got our sprinkler and some other food items here as well. So this facility is a 5 by 7 meters. That is around 24 feet by 20 feet. Thereabout. You know, some who use feet and we use meters. So that is what we are doing currently, and then we are done. So we have our sprinkler system, we have our tank over there, and this is the dwelling place. So you can see that it's a family house, but still they have enough space, just quite enough, small enough to do this. And then we're still growing other stuff in there to make sure that the snails will have a place to sort of live when things simmer down. So our last fumigation has been done, and then we'll do. So we have the cocoa leaf, dried cocoa leaves in there, treated dried cocoa leaves in there that we are using. So the snails will hide under as cover. We'll add a little bit more when we are coming. So, and this is the foot bath for security, and then we'll do a security door here, net here, so that things can be a little okay. So that is basically our greenhouse in Dansoman exhibition area. Invest in the future, you can see. Invest in Trisolace. Invest in snails. Adios.